Dear student, I am taking 10th standard English lesson. The reader English have 5 units. Each unit contains a number of activities which helps for the development of language skills. In the first unit, there are 2 short stories and 1 poem. So just you see the textbook here. Unit 1, Glimpses of Green. Glimpses means the importance of green. The main lesson is here. First one is Adventures in Banyan Tree. The author is Ruskin Bond. Second lesson, The Snake and the Mirror. The famous Malayalam writer as well as English writer Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. Then the poem, Lines Written in Early Spring, written by William Wordsworth. So before going to the lesson, we will see the first introduction. See here. Here this is a 3 lines poem, the short poem, you can say as a kavita. So that is a Japanese word, haiku. Only 3 lines. First and the third line is little small, the middle line is little big. So listen, the mountain mist hovering over the pines and ponds unveils the heaven. So this is about nature. So admiring the nature, how beautiful nature is. There is one question here. Nature is not a place to visit, it is a home. Discuss. So nature, the importance of nature. Nature is very important for everyone. But most of the people, we are using air, water, forest. So we want to breathe air. So fresh air we want. But nowadays we can find it is difficult to get a fresh air because all pollution. Then water. So using too much water, wasting too much water, sometimes we will not get the water to drink also. It's very difficult for us. So we have to save everything. So it is our duty to protect the earth, protect the natural resources and save the earth. The earth is only our home. It is not a place to visit. We have to think our nature is our home. How in the home we are using everything in a proper way. Same thing, we have to use the resources from the nature in a proper way. Otherwise, we will not get the enough natural resource for future generation. So we should save the earth. We should work together to protect our earth. So Albert Einstein says, look deep into nature and then you will understand better. So he says what? We have to admire the nature. We have to appreciate the miracle, secrets of the nature. You see, just one baby born, if maybe that baby is born maybe in the 7th month, 8th month or 9th month, the baby have all the cells and they have heart functioning, kidney functioning, everything is normal. So this is the secret of the nature. See, we have to think in that way. See, you just see one cheera. See, that seed is very small seed, but it makes how much protein we will get from that plant. So we have to appreciate that. We have to think how we can use and how we can manage the resources. So here we can say nature is not a place to visit. It is a home. Really it is a home. Why? Because nature is, without nature we cannot survive. Same thing, we too have the duty to protect it. So Walt Disney says, the wonders of nature are endless. Now you have one assignment. ചെറിയൊരു അസൈൻമെൻറ്റ് നിങ്ങൾ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. How nature is not a place to visit, it's a home. You have to write. All of you have to write. എന്തെല്ലാം പോയിന്റ്സ് നിങ്ങൾ കിട്ടും. Maybe you can write about the importance of nature. പ്രകൃതിയുടെ importance you can write. So you make one small assignment, small one paragraph and write in your notebook. So let us begin the textbook lesson. This is adventures in banyan tree. What is the meaning of adventures? Adventure means sahasakada. In banyan tree. Banyan tree means almaram. So nature is for all human beings. Man should live in harmony with nature. So nature എല്ലാവർക്കും ആവശ്യമാണ്. We have to live with harmony. Harmony means peace. Peace, shanti. Peace means. So man should live in harmony with nature. Being one with nature is always mesmerizing. Have you ever got a chance to spend your leisure time with nature? Leisure time is free time. Have you enjoyed your leisure time, your free time with the nature? So do you walk around your surroundings, around your home? So you can see many plants, animals, birds, you can see butterflies. All these are the creatures of nature. So here they asked here one question, have you enjoyed the nature? Let us read how a boy experienced and blended with the essence of nature. So this is our story about one boy, how he enjoyed the nature. So the author is Ruskin Bond. He was born on 19 May 1934. He is an Indian author of British descent. His father was an officer at Royal Air Force. He wrote his first novel, The Room on the Roof, at the age of 17. He got John Llewellyn Rhys Prize in 1957. His first children's book was The Angry River. In 1992, he received the Sahitya Academy Award for his short story collection. Our trees still grow in Dhera. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 for his contribution to children's literature. So he also wrote many children's stories, okay? Stories for children. He got the Lifetime Achievement Award in 2017. He now lives with his adopted family in Lantor near Missouri. So let us start the lesson. Though the house and grounds of our home in India were grandfather's domain, the magnificent old banyan tree was mine. So, though the house and grounds of our home in India were grandfather's domain, the magnificent old banyan tree was mine. So, anyway, the banyan tree was in my grandfather's house, but the tree is mainly mine. End tree aanu. Banyan tree is mine. Because why? Because nobody is disturbing me. Me alone. I am alone. Climbing the tree, then I were sitting there. So the tree is only mine. Because grandfather at the age of 65 could no longer climb it. Why? Because grandfather's age is how much now? 65. So he cannot climb, and would speak of a certain Countess of Dens. At the age of 65, could no longer climb it. Grandmother used to tease him about this, and would speak of a certain Countess of Desmond, an Englishwoman who lived in the age of 117, and would have lived longer if she had not fallen while climbing an apple tree. So, grandfather is not climbing the tree because the grandmother is teasing him. Why? One lady, Countess of Desmond, an Englishwoman, she climbed the tree, an apple tree. She also climbed an apple tree, and she fallen down and she died at the age of 117. So, grandmother is teasing to grandfather, you should not climb the tree. So, now for the boy it is very useful because nobody is coming and disturbing, no one is climbing that particular tree. The spreading branches of the banyan tree which curved to the ground and took root again. If you see banyan tree, how it is, just see the picture, the banyan tree. So the root is coming down again, gone up, forming a maze of arches, give me endless pleasure. So the boy says, this root gives me endless pleasure, gives me കുറേ സന്തോഷം കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഈ മരം എനിക്ക് കുറേ സന്തോഷം കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. കാരണം ഇതിൻ്റെ വേര് താഴോട്ട് വന്നു, പിന്നെ മുകളിൽ പോയി looks like a arch. The tree was older than the house. ആ മരം എത്ര old? The older than their house, older than grandfather. That means grandfather's age is 65. So the banyan tree is more than 65 and old as the town of Dera. So not only that, but the town of Dera. Maybe before that only the banyan tree is still there. Nestling in a valley at the foot of Himalayas. My first friend and familiar was a small grey squirrel. So when I climbed the tree, my first friend there, who is the squirrel, arching his back and sniffing into the air. How you see squirrel? Annare. So how it is arching back and sniffing into the air. He seemed at first to resent my invasion of his privacy. So this squirrel thinks maybe me stolen his privacy. But when he found that I did not arm myself with a catapult or air gun, he became friendlier, because that squirrel thinks this boy is not harmful to me, not doing anything. So this squirrel became friendly with me. And when I started leaving him pieces of cake and biscuits, so sometimes I gave one pieces of biscuit and cakes. He grew older. So when I met, that was very small. Now the squirrel has become little older, bolder, and finally became familiar enough to take food from hands. Now that squirrel is very best friend of mine. He is taking food from my hands. Before long, he was delving into my pockets. Delving means searching into my pockets and helping himself to whatever he could find. He was a very young squirrel. So now he is sometimes coming to the pocket and he is searching, is there any food, is there any biscuit, is there any cake? He is finding there. He was very young squirrel. So he is introducing now. How is that squirrel? It is a very young squirrel, and his friends and relatives probably thought him headstrong and foolish for trusting a human. So maybe the squirrel's father squirrel and mother squirrel may be told that you don't believe in human man because man are all dangerous, so you don't trust with them. But now the squirrel thinks this boy is not harmful, he is maybe it's okay, I can make friend with him. In the spring, when the banyan tree was full of small red figs, so in the springtime the banyan tree was full of small red figs, small fruits. Birds of all kinds would flock into its branches. So that during this time, this season, all the birds will come to stay in banyan tree. The red-bottomed bulbul, which all birds will come? Red-bottomed bulbul, cheerful and greedy, gossiping rosy pastures. So you maybe understand that how the birds are gossiping, how birds are making sound. Many birds comes together, then what will be the sound? And parrots and crows squabbling with each other. Squabbling means maybe small fighting, maybe they are quarreling with each other all the time. During the fig season, the banyan tree was the noisiest place on the road. So during the spring season, the banyan tree was noisiest, most sound, can hear everyone the sound, because all the birds, all the crow and every creature comes there and makes squabbling or fighting with each other. Halfway up the tree, I had built a small platform on which I would often spend the afternoon. So what I made in the tree, on the tree, I made a platform. You can see in the picture in the textbook. I would often spend the afternoon when it was not too hot. I could read there, propping myself up against the bole of the tree with cushions taken from the drawing room. So I would often, sometimes I can spend my time there, sitting on the tree, on the branches of the tree. I had made one platform. I took the cushions, you know cushions? Cushions means talangina. So cushions, he took the cushions and made there one platform. From the drawing room, Treasure Island. So he read there many storybooks. What are the storybooks? Treasure Island, Huckleberry Finn, the Mowgli stories, and the novels of Edgar Rice Burroughs and Louisa May Alcott made up my bag of very mixed reading. So many type of stories I was reading there. When I did not feel like reading, sometimes I am boring, I am not reading the storybooks, I could look down through the banyan leaves at the world below. So sometimes I am sitting there and watching underneath the ground, under the ground, just I am seeing the underground there, at grandmother hanging up or taking down the washing. So under the tree, beneath the tree, sometimes grandmother, what she is doing or washing her clothes and hanging the clothes there. At the cook quarreling with the fruit vendor, sometimes the cook also, he is fighting with, quarreling with the fruit vendor, asking to give the little money. Maybe he is putting too much money for 1 kg apple, maybe too much money. So he is quarreling with him. Or at grandfather grumbling at the hardy Indian marigolds, which insist on springing up all over his very English garden. So grandfather's garden is English garden. He brought some plants from England and he made an English garden. But sometimes in middle that Indian marigold comes out. So grandfather don't like that flower, so he is murmuring. He is shouting there. Usually nothing very exciting happened while I was in the banyan tree. As usual, every day is the same, nothing is special there, every day is same thing. But one particular afternoon, I had enough excitement to last me through the summer. So one special day, I have seen one important incident, or one excitement incident to last me through the summer. You see, what is that? So very excitement incident took place. That was the time I saw a mongoose and a cobra. So one day when I was looking down like this, so one mongoose and a cobra fight to death in the garden. They started to fight. I was looking from up while I sat directly above them in the banyan tree. So I was looking down the fight. So next class we will explain all this, the fight between mongoose and cobra.